584,145 votes for the office of Vice Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as the duly elected Vice Mayor of NCR. NCR Manila is May 13, 2025 at 9:06 p.m. Supporting members, Chairperson, Vice Chairperson Giovanni Lim, Member Secretary Elisa.
Bakit tinadana ka? Tinadana! Okay na. Pabati ako. Iiyak na yan!